Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Infinix Hot 50. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around 40,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and this phone is powered by same MediaTek Helio G100, which we also see on the bigger Hot 50 Pro Plus. Also on the front we have 120Hz all new 800 nits bright display, and the color I have is the titanium gray color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So on the back we have some more specification. We have 18-watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. We have 4 years of durable battery, 1600 charge cycle guaranteed with this Infinix Hot 50. We also have Infinix AI. We have AI eraser as well as AI edit features we have on this phone. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the Hot 50 with my knife. And this is the cheapest smartphone I would say in the Pakistan market that give you Helio G100. So again we have a green box with a green background. So open this box. So we have one more box. So here's our Infinix Hot 50 in the titanium gray color, and this phone also has a NFC. So again, these are the main highlighting feature. We also have IP54 water and splash resistance. So now let's start the phone from this wrapping. So here is the titanium gray color looks like. On the back we have a matte finish, although the back it is made up of plastic, and the back it is not curved like we have on the Hot 50 Pro Plus. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So now let's see what else we get, and then the phone. So below there, here's our silicone case, and here's our quick start guide, warranty card actually, and here's our 18-watt super fast charger. So nice to see we have 18-watt super fast charging, and also we have our USB type C to USB A cable, and also we have SIM ejection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Infinix Hot 50. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Hot 50. So it is a full-fledged SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. We also have a rubber gasket inside the SIM tray. So on the top we have absolutely nothing, no noise cancellation microphone. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. In the frame it is made up of plastic. So on the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel f1.6 aperture main camera, then we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor as well as the VGA lens. So the back cameras, it is exactly the same as the Hot 50 Pro Plus. I didn't see any difference, although the front camera is only 8 megapixel as compared to 13 megapixel. On the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole, and overall the bottom chin, even the side passes looks really decent. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Infinix Hot 50. And guys, in the first impression about the display and the colors looks, I would say, really nice, although we have IPS LCD. So here is some max brightness looks like. We have 1800 nits of brightness. So here is the notification panel looks like. We also have NFC on this phone. So now let's go to the settings and about phone. So this phone is running on Android 14. Also we have XOS version 14.5. We have 128 GB of internal storage out of 18.17 GB it is already used. Also we have MediaTek Helio G100, which is a really powerful SoC indeed. So let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. So the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. So let's look at the camera. So this phone has a triple cameras, but in reality we have single camera. So we have 50 megapixel main camera. So here's a video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We don't have any ultra 30 mode like we have on the Hot 50 Pro Plus. We also have a bokeh mode. So here is a film mode, here's the portrait mode, here's the super night mode. So in the mode section, we also have slow motion, we also have dual view, video mode, we also have a pro mode. So all those things it is available. So looking at the front facing camera, so this phone has a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and yes, in the selfie camera it is okay, nothing special. So the front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have a bokeh mode with the front facing camera. So here's a portrait mode, and the night mode it is actually not available with the front facing camera. So some features it is not available inside the camera application. Anyways, let's talk about the battery size. So this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watts super fast charging. So this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And more videos regarding the Hot 50 is also coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I am a first impression regarding the Infinix Hot 50. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.